The motor is out. I recently had the opportunity and I finally pulled my Type 4 engine out. Here it is. All of the wiring, when I unplugged it, I just labeled everything just to make sure not going to be any issues. Should go right back in. But the reason I pulled it out is multiple things. For one, the engine mounts are gone, so that bar is not really doing anything. It's just kind of floating. Engine's pretty nasty, so I'm gonna clean it up. I need to find out if something's leaking or what's going on. I also want to take these off and put on a new exhaust because I don't need the heaters here in Florida. To me, it's just wasted weight. So I'm going to pull off that exhaust with the heater ducts and put on just a straight exhaust. Looking for some sort of a merged exhaust. Not sure what I want to do yet. There's obviously a lot of options out there, but it really needed to be cleaned up. It's really dirty. It's leaking oil pretty bad. I don't want to take it all apart. We'll kind of see where it leads. I don't really like how much gunk I have in there because it's definitely not the same on the other side. So we'll kind of see. I'm going to take a little bit of apart. It's debating once I take the exhaust and the manifolds fully off, if I want to pull the heads off, get those cleaned, cylinders, jugs. So not sure yet. I'll see. I'm going to replace the seals on the flywheel. So got a lot of things to do, clean it up really. Going in here, there's my dual carbs. Those have been pulled off. I'm gonna take those apart, clean them. Everything worked fine when I took it off, but it's all off. So I'm gonna pull them apart, clean them, rebuild them, put new gaskets on, new air filters, kind of the whole 9 yards. So that's what's going on in there. And that's really the bus. It worked just fine when I pulled the engine. So we'll go from there. The bug is kind of in a state of limbo. I have the engine over here, mostly put together. Still working on that. But I kind of put a hold on that because I pulled the engine on the bus. So once I start taking that apart a little more, get everything cleaned, we'll kind of see where it brings me. I know I got to take all of this stuff off to get to the engine mounts. I want to take it all off anyway so I can flip it over, get to the manifolds and exhaust and all of that. So that's where I'm at. Hopefully it'll be on the road by the end of the year. Slow progress, but it's not my daily anymore. It used to be. Hope to have it back on the road by the end of 23. Start driving it again.